Children, today in this video I am going to give you one unseen paragraph. Listen to me, see the paragraph and solve the questions. The Australian bird-eating spider is a large, aggressive spider found in Australia. The bird-eating spider can grow to be larger than the size of an adult human hand. They have extremely powerful fangs that grow up to 2 centimeters long. The Australian bird-eating spider varies in color, ranging from grey to brown to red. Although it has long and strong fangs that can easily pierce human skin, the bite of the Australian bird-eating spider is not deadly to humans. It will cause severe pain, sickness, and sweating in a human. The Australian bird-eating spider can be found in many places around Australia. It can live in sandy, dry deserts or wet, dense rainforests. These enormous spiders often build large, deep burrows that are linked with silk, or they will use a log or a rock to cover them. They line the entrance of the burrow with loose strands of their silky web, and this warms them. When enemies or prey are approaching, the Australian bird-eating spider is famous for eating birds, even though this actually very rarely happens. The spider prefers to eat lizards, insects, frogs, and even other spiders. It will pounce on it unsuspecting prey in order to capture and eat with it. Use the words from the story to fill in the missing spaces. Number 1. The Australian bird-eating spider is a spider. Number 2. The bird-eating spider has and fangs. Number 3. The bite from the spider is not to human. 4th, these spiders build burrows lined with . Number 5, the Australian bird-eating spider actually very rarely eats . So dear children, as you know, in this way, I just want to give you one listening practice as well. First, only listen to me and try to solve these questions which are given in your passage. If there is any confusion, you are unable to find out the things, for that you can see in the visuals as well. Here you also have to follow each and every rule whatever I have taught to you in yesterday's video. All the 5 steps you have to keep in your mind, and if any word which is not clear to you, do not bother right now to know each and every word's meaning. First of all, try to find out in your mind a short summary of this paragraph. This is the first unseen passage we are doing after watching the video. That is why I have selected a very easy topic for you. Hopefully, you all will complete with the help of this visual as well as the audio presentation. I repeat, first of all, you should go for the audio presentation and try to solve it thoroughly. This, I am again telling you, this is about the bird eating spider. Everything, the entire paragraph is about the bird eating spider, and the questions you have to keep in your mind first. Better to read the questions first, then go to solve the unseen passage. This way your mistakes will be minimum and short answer you will get. The bird eating spider. First question. The Australian bird eating spider is a dash dash spider. The bird eating spider has dash and dash fangs. Likewise, you will solve every question with the help of this paragraph.